Welcome to Mago for Display on Neat Devices. In this video, we'll guide you through the setup and show you how to get started. You'll see how easy it is to activate your device, start meetings, present content, and collaborate in real time. Let's begin. Before using Mago, the first step is activation. Mago for Display works seamlessly on Neat devices including NeatBoard 50, NeatBoard Pro, and NeatFrame. To get started, simply scan the QR code shown on your device with your phone or go to admin.mago.io/activate on a laptop. Enter the 6-digit code as seen on screen. The code may refresh on the monitor, and that is perfectly normal. You don't need to restart the activation process. Select whether you want to begin with a free trial, link an existing license, or a new one. Insert the license and continue to the Appearance section. Enter the device name shown on screen once activated. Once the configuration is saved, the device is ready to be used. After the activation process, your board will appear in the Admin Center under Rooms list. From there, you can open each device and define policies, customize logos and backgrounds, set up digital signage, and access troubleshooting tools. 3 ways to connect, share, and work together. Meetings start instantly, with participants connecting in a click and conversations beginning without interruptions. Content sharing keeps everyone aligned. Presentations flow smoothly, making it easy for all participants to stay focused. When something needs emphasis, Magic Annotation helps highlight the key points. Collaboration transforms the Mago whiteboard into a shared creative space. Beyond images, 3D models, and annotations, you can bring in maps, websites, and many other resources that enrich the discussion and keep everyone engaged. You have now seen how to activate and configure Mago for Display and explore the main features that make meetings easier and more collaborative. For more details, tutorials, and resources, visit mago.io. Thank you for watching.